Hi, this is Nicholas Holmes, and this is my report for CIT 336, Enhancement 1. So I used VS Code to complete this assignment, created my template to fulfill. I have my header and footer in the common folders. In the template, I've also created a JavaScript for the last modified, and the JavaScript is formatted to show the day, month, and year as shown. Then I use this template to create the home page. I have all my CSS. I used a mobile approach, and so my default style sheet is my small screen, which is under 640 pixels. Then I have a medium, which makes changes between 640 and 1300 pixels, or 1299 pixels, and then a large, which only has a couple of changes for things that are 1300 pixels and above. Here is the template page with the mobile view. You see it doesn't scroll left or right. If you click on any of the links, right now they don't go anywhere. Same with my account. I just have a hashtag in the href there. It shows the date, the day, year, comma, day, month, comma, and year. If we refresh the page, you can see on the network I have the disabled cache, and it's under 500 kilobytes. Now, if I switch over to the actual home page that I created and refresh, you'll see that it's also under 500 kilobytes for the weight. I have the menu spanning all across the nav bar here to give it a nice clean look. None of these work except the home right now reloads because it's the only page created. If we scroll down, we see it doesn't scroll horizontally. These links also just have a hashtag there to reload. We change the view to an iPad or an iPad Pro. You can see that it's changed. Now I'll go to responsive so you can see. So right now this is on using my large styles sheet for a few stylings. For the own today or the links for the DeLorean upgrades, you can see that they will change when I go under 1300 pixels. They're about to change now. So they got a little smaller to fit the screen better. And once I go under 640 pixels, you'll see it will go to my mobile view and gets rid of the checkered background and moves the own today and changes the location of these divs for the DeLorean reviews and the DeLorean upgrades. Similarly, we change the view to responsive. This one also adjusts depending as well on the pixel size. Now, if we go ahead and validate the local HTML, it passes. Validate the CSS, it passes. If I switch over and validate the local HTML on my home page, it passes. And if I validate the local CSS, it passes as well. I worked with my group. We met early in the week. I had not done much programming yet, but most of them had. we worked on some of theirs together. I was able to provide some insight. I was able to receive some insight. I also reached out to another team member who helped me later on in the week with a few things that I got stuck on. For example, one of the things I got stuck on was getting my screen. I kept having an extra space to the right, causing it to scroll, and had to do some research to figure out why it was doing that and to eliminate that.